I found a way you can get unlimited credit in Runway AI. Now with Runway AI, you can generate high quality cinematic videos with sound and sound effects. Runway AI gives 125 credits to new users. But in this video, I'll show you how to get the credits unlimited. Follow this process. So the first step is to create an email. With that email, we are going to register the account. So go to this website here, this particular website, to generate an email, a free email. Click on verify. Then once you open it, it will generate an email. You can see the email. All you need to do is just copy it, then open a new tab and type Runway ML AI. So scroll down and click on this particular link that has app in it. Okay, so once you open it, it will take you directly to where you're going to create the account. Kindly paste that at the email address we just copied, then enter your username, create a password, verify your password. Then the next thing you're going to do is to click on create account. So once you click on create account, it will send a verification code to that particular email that we just copied, the email we just created. All you need to do, minimize it, go to that address. If you can't see it directly, all you need to do is to click on this refresh here. Click on refresh and you see your inbox. You can see it here, Runway. Click on it, the code, and copy it. Go back to Runway AI, paste the code here and validate. Click on skip until you get to this platform. Yes, so you're welcome to Runway AI. Just click on continue and this. So you can see now that you have 125 credits. So with Runway AI, you can perform several tasks. You can change an angle of a video or an image. You can even add dramatic atmosphere. You can change the weather of any scene. So here you can go on and generate. The truth is that most of the features can only be possible when you have an upgraded account, depending on the pricing level that you choose. I'm only showing you how you can get unlimited 125 credits, okay, for every new user. So once you have gotten it, you can go ahead and generate your videos, get your prompts and all that. So once you are done, all you need to do, once you have exhausted the 125 credits, all you need to do is to click on log out. So once you log out, you can now repeat that same process, the process of generating a new email. Okay, go back to that website and all you need to do is to click on change. So once you click on change, the email address will change to a new one. Copy it, come back to Runway ML, and of course, create another account. So that's how you can get the 125 credits unlimited. Thank you for watching. Do well to subscribe to this channel.